Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks, and today I'm going to be doing some reviews on some new shoes that came in for me. I have a total of 4 different pairs of shoes, so I'm just going to get right into it. So the first one that I picked up here is from Nike, a shoe that I used to wear a lot as a child. I had maybe like 6 or 7 different pairs of these when I was younger, and they re-released them for 2018, and I just went ahead and picked up the colorway that came out. So you see, it's a pretty big box. Here on the label it says Nike Shox Gravity. I got them in an 11.5, and it's vast gray metallic gold. So let me get right into it. Here's the shoe nice and up close. Overall, I'm not disappointed in the shoe too bad. I thought it was going to have a little bit of a different shape, to be quite honest. It's really like flat on the toe. It doesn't have any stuffing in it, but it's pretty low. It's not a raised toe box, which I would have preferred. The Shox sticks out from the heel, which I thought was a little bit different. But overall, I'm pleased. I'm happy I was able to pick up another pair of Shox. I haven't done this in forever. They're not the most comfortable thing in the world, but they're not the most uncomfortable thing, if that makes sense. I've tried these on already, and I saw a lot of people that initially picked these up and said that the comfort was not there, that they're so used to Nike Air or Boost or something else. But these are not bad. I remember Shox not being comfortable at all, and the springs on these are like a foam now. They're not that hard plastic, so it's a little bit more cushion to it. I probably wouldn't recommend running in these. I would probably say casual standpoint only, but you never know. And then the mesh on this is pretty stretchy. It's nothing that's ridiculous. It's not Flyknit. It has these like flywire cables, I guess you could say they're flywire, that go along, and then it has this little cord that just snaps onto the front one, and you just tighten it that way. So I thought that was pretty cool. They did that with the VaporMax utility, which I thought was pretty dope. And then I also have that commuter that does kind of the same lacing system, which I thought is really nice. Another thing to note is the gold on the back is kind of dull. There was a plastic film that was around this gold swoosh, which is a little bit shinier. I don't know if the camera really picks it up. I peeled the plastic off and you can really see that it's shiny in person, but on camera I don't know if it's really picking it up. A really cool part about the shoe to me was the outsole. It has like kind of like a thermal pattern going through. As you see where the Shox hit, it's like super hot. Then you get your like midpoint right here, which is like a plastic Nike swoosh that's kind of like engraved, and then like a translucent forefoot, which I thought was really cool. Besides that, I don't see the old school Nike Shox logo. It has this on there, which isn't the Shox logo, but it's just kind of just rubber. On the insole, you do get the old school Shox logo, which is pretty cool. And like I said, overall, I'm very happy with the shoe. It's something nostalgic to me. $150 for them, not bad at all. So I'm not really disappointed in these at all. Very happy I was able to pick them up. The comfort, like I said, is not the same as what you'd be getting from an Ultra Boost, a VaporMax, something like that. This is just pretty standard, but by all means, it's more comfortable than Vans, Converse, stuff like that. So I mean, this is the pair that's not going to be the most comfortable, but to reminisce like on your childhood and stuff like that, these are awesome. Sizing wise on these, I went true to size with an 11.5, and I have no problem with that. I don't think I would have gone to a 12. 11 might have fit a little bit too snug, so I would say definitely go true to size with these. They're not very narrow. They're kind of narrow, but not like too narrow like a Flyknit Racer or VaporMax. I would just say true to size. So I'm just very excited I was able to pick these up, something that I wore in my childhood. Being able to rock them again is something that's going to be pretty dope. But if you guys have any questions about this shoe or anything like in general about it, just drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to assist you guys. I know for a fact that there's going to be a ton of colorways of these dropping. The Finish Line that I work at is already getting like the inventory stock for it, and we're getting tons of different colors. There's going to be a whole lot of ones coming out. But there's also that Nike like exclusive color that's like that black and green deluxe colorway. I may be picking those up as well. I don't know. Depending to see how much I wear these. If I like them a lot, I'll end up picking up that other pair. But there's going to be tons and tons of colorways coming out, so just keep your eyes peeled on that. Hey, that is going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.